Sakal Gunaarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
Oh dear friends, here is that very personality of Godhead, whose attractive and confidential pastimes are described in the confidential parts of Vedic literature by his great devotees. It is he only who creates, maintains and annihilates the material world, and yet remains unaffected. As it is stated in the Bhagavad Gita, all the Vedic literatures are glorifying the greatness of Lord Sri Krishna. Here it is confirmed in the Bhagavatam also. The Vedas are expanded by many branches and sub-branches by great devotees and empowered incarnations of the Lord like Vyas, Narad, Shukdev Goswami, the Kumars, Kapil, Prahlad, Janak, Bali and Yamaraj. But in the Srimad Bhagwatam especially, the confidential parts of his activities are described by the confidential devotee Shukadev Goswami. In the Vedant Sutras, or Upanishads, there is only a hint of the confidential parts of his pastimes. In such Vedic literatures as the Upanishads, the Lord has expressively been distinguished from the mundane conception of his existence. His identity being fully spiritual, his form, name, quality, and paraphernalia, etc., have been elaborately distinguished from matter, and therefore he is sometimes misunderstood by less intelligent persons as impersonal. But factually he is the Supreme Person, Bhagavan, and he is partially represented as Paramatma or impersonal Brahm.